We are going to be going over 2022 spring has. So buckle up and get comfy, grab popcorn. Time to get started. So let's start with plate 274. This plate is inspired by Vincent van Gogh and it has a lot of his famous designs. And this is our abstract plate. It is M275. Then we are going to do M276. This is also inspired by several famous artists. The next plate, and it's M284, and it has all sorts of different special effects and brush strokes. So this is plate M285, and it is all inspired with the wavy look. And the very last plate is M292. This is called High Fashion.